Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with our new aptitude questions, that is finding new digits part 2. So before going in detail and the questions about new digits, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So as before in the video, we have solved the unit digit problems and also we saw the tricks and formulae for how to solve the unit digits. So if you do not watch the unit digits part 1, the link will be given, so you watch through it in the description. So coming to this, here we are going to solve some more problems of unit digit numbers and how to solve in a different method. So find unit digit of 2 power 245. So first let us consider what is the last digit. Last digit is 2, right? So cyclic of 2 is 4. So then what we have to do is the power should be divided by the cyclicity of the 2, that is 4. So when we have divided it, then we got a remainder as 1. So the formula of a unit digit is L power R. L is nothing but the last digit and R is nothing but remainder. So 2 power 1 is 2 and the answer is 2. This is how you will solve the unit digits, finding the unit digits. And let us go with some other problems. Here, finding unit digit of 3 power 347. The cyclicity of 3 is 4 and then the last digit is 3, right? So with 4 we will be dividing 347, then the remainder is 3. So we know that L power R, that is 3 cube, that is 27, but mostly you'll think the last digit is 27. That is wrong. The last digit in which you got the answer is the unit digit. So the unit digit is 7 and the answer of the question is 7. So this is how we will solve a single unit digit finding. Let's go a deep, like multiplication, division and addition problems. So find unit digit of 2 power 248 plus 3 power 273 plus 8 power 168. So we will be solving a single one. First 2 power 248. The cyclicity of the number is 4. The cyclicity of 2 is 4. So what is the cyclicity? So if you do not understand the cyclicity here, first you watch the video of the part 1, then you will come to know what is the cyclicity and how we will calculate the cyclicity of every number. So then you can, if you are clear with it, then you will be clear with the solving this type of problems. So first know about the cyclicity of the numbers. Here we got a remainder 0, but as we know that L last digit 2468, if the remainder gets 0, then the unit digit is 6. Okay, so here we got 0, right? Then the unit digit is 6 here. And here 3 power 273. The cyclicity of 3 is 4. With solving it, we got a remainder 1. So 3 power 1 is 3. And 8 power 168. The cyclicity of 8 is also 4. So with solving, we got 0 as a remainder. As we know, unit digit of L equal to 2468 is 6. So unit digit is 6. So we got 6, 3 plus 6. So we have 15. The answer is 15, but they asked us the unit digit of the given number. So unit digit is 5 and the answer of the question is 5. Here. Find unit digit of 16 power 246 into 39 power 478 into 2017 power 729. See, by seeing it it looks like very a hard question, but if you follow this trick, it is very easy for you all to solve the questions. And here, by solving before type, it is easy, but this one is somewhat a difficult one. See, first one we have solved as before. So 16 power 246, that is L equal to 6. The cyclicity of 6 is 1. So we got a 0. Then the unit digit is 6. And by solving this, it takes time. So we have a other method. We have an other method. See, this is the question. 16 power 246 into 39 power 478 and 2017 power 729. So here the first let us consider 16 power 246. The last digit is 6. Okay. See, the cyclicity of 6 is always 1. So 66 parts anything is 1, right? So we will be here considering 6 power 1, that is nothing but 6. Okay, the first one is done with the cyclicity. And here the last digit is 9, right? The cyclicity of 9 is 2. The cyclicity of 9 is 2. So let us solve 478 with 2. So 478 by 2 is nothing but 239, and the remainder is 0. And the remainder is 0. When we get a remainder is 0, then what we have to do is the last digit, cyclic digit, we should take as a power. That is for the last digit, that is 9 square. 9 square is 81, and the last digit is 1. So we have put it here. Got it? See, when you are got a 0, then the cyclic digit we should take as a power. Cyclic digit is 2 here for 9. So 9 square, it is 81. So 1 is the last digit. This is how you solve it. And here 7. Here we have the cyclicity of 7 is 4. Okay. So 729 by 4 is 182, and the remainder is 1. So 7 power 1 is 7. So 6 into 1 into 7 is 52, and but they ask the unit digit, that is the last digit of the number, that is 2, and the answer is 2. This is how you will solve the other problems with it. So let's go into other problems. Here, finding the unit digit of 49789 power 32789 into 789478 power 24768. By seeing this, you'll be very confused and you'll be very scared to solve this problem. Here I'll show you another trick which you can solve very easily this type of problems. So don't get scared. This has a trick, so do watch carefully how to solve this type of problems. So however, we will take the digit of the last digit of the number, that is 9. So the cyclicity of 9 is 2. So here see, when you have this type of numbers, this type of big numbers, then you can take last 2 digits and you can solve it. See how I am going to solve it. 89 by 2. 2 is nothing but the cyclicity of 9. So you got 1. So that is 9 power 1 is 9. Then you will get a doubt. How this happens? See, there is a big number. How this is true? So let us solve this. See, taking the total number, okay. However, what we will do to find out it, we will divide this one by cyclicity number, right? So when we have this big numbers, I said you that just take the last two digits. But if you how this is possible is, now I'm going to show it. That is taking the total number by divided by 2. What you got? That is 1, right? So when you get that numbers, you can take last 2 digit numbers, then it will be applicable for it. So the time will be saved. Aptitude is nothing but managing the time, right? So when you manage the time, then you can solve more number of problems. So this is how we can solve it. And see here, the cyclicity of 8 is 4. Last two digits, here we got a 0. So when we get a 0, I said you that the cyclicity of the number, we will take it as a power. So 8 power 4 and the unit digit will be 6. 8 power 4, that is 64 into 64. When we get multiplied, then we will be getting the last digit is 16. So this is how when we get a 0, you have to take the cyclic of that number as a power. So 9 into 6, that is 54. They asked you the unit digit. Unit digit is 4. That's all. This is how you'll solve the problems, this type of problems. So when you have missed the last video of the number series part 1, the link will be given in the description, so you can go directly into the link and open that link and know about the part 1. So that you'll be continuously knowing about what is cyclicity of the numbers and how we are going to take it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.